Continue driving up.
First chosen me a residential bird, 2051 Contour Street, 540 feet, 1,000 miles. Enjoy.
27th and Glen Russell. Appreciate the heart meet.
That's what I heard my leg came in.
Units go from Stephanie. Thank you so much for your video. You have on shorts. 390 work for your
Undercover right there. That's insane. I should do the same shit. So I don't got nothing to hold my phone, so. In the van, yeah, for you. Yes, sir. 1 second, y'all. 1 second. There we go. Shade. Turn these damn lights off. There he goes, complaining his knees are back.
Tom 0195 expires 11/2026 on a 2015 Dodge Dart out of Phoenix. What's all already?
Why did he get pulled over? It might have been for his lights. When he turned the corner back there on 27th, he didn't have his lights on. So they pulled him over for that, and then now they're suspecting DUI. So but I arrest him right now. Just tell by the way they're walking up closer and closer each time. Ooh, there goes. Ready for the arrest, y'all. Yeah, they're gonna take him right now. Watch him start booking it. Oh, hurry up, U-Haul, hurry up, U-Haul, hurry up, hurry up. Thank you, Jamie. I appreciate it, Jamie. I don't know what she was saying because I'm looking at the camera, but appreciate it. It says 27th Avenue in Glen Rosa. Hey, thank you for the hand hearts. I appreciate you. No. These cars are selling the clip. There he goes. That's that. Phoenix, Arizona. Yo. Arrested 4? No, arrested 1. Straight to the pinta. Do you know I stand on mine? Nah, who's that? Yo! Hey, Justin got arrested. Yeah. I don't know, that's what my chat's coming in here saying. Yo! What did Justin get arrested for, y'all? Yo! He got arrested for DUI? Oh my god. Damn, that's... Hey, y'all, just so you guys know, me and Justin are cool, so... No, he didn't? No, he didn't? I'm confused as fuck. What the fuck? Bro, that was not Justin. Or that is not I stand on mine. That's just some random dude. Oh. 209 AZ.
Good. That's what they're saying. You got it.
That's what, I don't know. Someone said yes, someone said no. Oh, yeah, I know who he is. I guess not. I guess got confused on something. I don't fucking know. Shit confusing.
Fine.
Why are you guys filming that? Is some guy picking up a prostitute? Are you fucking kidding me?
Huh?
Why are you guys filming? It's a guy picking up a prostitute.
It's our job. I mean, you live here. I think you need to find a new job.
How about you mind your business?
Well, I got my business.
Clearly not.
Not if you're in ours, jackass.
Citizens always getting mad, bro. We cannot do shit without someone saying shit. But guess what? Fuck how they feel.
We'll put them on camera.
You know what I mean? Fuck how they feel. He felt real big and bad because DPS is right here. Like they gonna save him or something.
Dumbass on the side, that's what we do.
Hey, AZ Valley Media, bro. Haven't we seen this truck get pulled over before right here? Same exact spot. This truck looks so familiar. It was a guy, but I think it was can't say the word on live, but I think he liked the other half.
She got pink cups.
Yeah.
See your shit.
Yeah, she's not nice.
She's not nice.
She's like that other lady that we know from Phoenix.
It'll be alright.
Thank you for the heart, me. I appreciate you. Sound like a woman. LOL. Take his ass inside real quick. You need to find another job, but you live here. You live on 27th and Glen Rosa. I need to find another job. Sherry, there we go. Let me pin that. No matter who you are. What's up, Mike? Hey, shout out Tucson.
Well, the cop didn't want nothing to do with this.
Which one?
The other guy.
Oh yeah, that tag team. Yeah.
Is that what they are?
Yeah, this tag team. They're the ones that roll around here on Tuesdays. Yeah, they arrested him.
Alright, bro, I'm calling it a night.
Look at this. Look at this guy in here.
Look at that.
So this is the guy we got into a big fight with. That security guard. And this is the other guy. He's always coming here starting problems and shit.
What'd you say?
He's saying my full first and last name, but he's like spelling it a different way.
Daily free player.
Yeah, daily free plays. I know where he lives, bro. He's so stupid. You keep coming in here harassing me. I don't block him because it's comedy. I just laugh in his face every time he comes in here. No, it's not even him. It's not even him. It's the other guy.
First 12, 2026, 2020 GMC terrain out of Phoenix at 125 hours.
Yeah, that dude. Come on, pass. I'm being respectful. I'm not showing your car.
You try to hurry up and throw that beer in the back.
For real.
Should have took a drink before. He knew he was going.
Yeah, as soon as he got out, I don't know if he had one in his hand, but He did?
He did. That's what he did. He tried to hurry up and throw it out.
Yeah.
Emergency traffic is approved. No damage. Central and McKean National.
Peep the cuffs, y'all. Peep the cuffs for you females. She got pink cuffs. There we go. Dumping the bottles, yeah. Jamie with the heart, me. I appreciate you.
Yeah, the party supply, huh?
Hey, Mike with the heart, me. I appreciate you.
He's like, it's just some guy picking up our ticket.
It wasn't even that. Mr. Know-It-All.